When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
What is up, YouTube? This is Des back with another tutorial, and today, guys, we are going to be doing a marbled Grey Goose strawberry, so stay tuned for the tutorial.
I'm so much better.
Alright, and what we're going to be using, guys, is our white chocolate candy melt and our vegetable oil. And I'm using the vegetable oil because it does help with consistency as well as prevent the chocolate from burning. I don't know what it is about the chocolate candy melts, but sometimes they like to burn. And then I just heat them up at 30 seconds at a time. So while that is actually going in the microwave, I'm just picking each of our berries. They have already been washed and cleaned. So we're just drying them off after we use a toothpick for each individual one. Trust me, it is a lot easier to do it that way. Okay guys, so I am using my handy dandy plastic wine glass to marble my berries in. Y'all, the first time that I did these actually during the tutorial was an epic fail, and y'all, I had to redo them because they weren't even marbled, and it was basically because I didn't put enough chocolate in the bowl. It was not steep enough, so I had to redo them. So if you were wondering why the berries were already dipped before I marbled them, that is exactly why, guys. And shout out to Epidemic Sound on the music, guys. They have a really good music selection, and they do have a 30-day free trial. I just started using their music. I love the options that I have. It is really good if you want to do like music to your YouTube tutorials, or if you do like video collages and you want to add music to it. It is copyright free, so you do not have to worry about being sued for it, you guys. That is awesome. And no, this video is not sponsored in any type of way, shape, or form. I just wanted to let you guys know an option for better music when editing your YouTube videos.
And so it goes, tables turn in your own.
And another tip, guys, that I find extremely helpful, I actually learned this a few years ago when trying to teach myself how to make my buttercream really smooth, is running hot water over your spatula or your bench scraper when icing the final coat of your cake, or even doing like the crumb coat. It helps as well, just smoothing it out. Guys, it is so helpful. It's like heat pressing your cakes, trust me. So after every single use, just make sure you run your spatula under hot water, and you'll see as it begins to smooth the cake out even more. And y'all, what I've learned that also is extremely helpful when trying to get those really sharp edges at the top of your buttercream cake is making sure that your offset spatula is upright and not slanted down as if you're icing the top of the cake, like just a flat surface. Make sure that the spatula is upright because that's going to give you those really nice, sharp, clean edges.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want.
So now back to our marbled berries, guys. What I did is just took a little bit of silver metallic luster dust, mixed it in with a little bit of lemon extract just to create a paint-like consistency. And what I did a little different is I specced some of the silver paint onto the berries before I outlined the marbled effect. I just wanted a little bit more of a different look because I always see the marbled berries with just the outline, which is extremely beautiful. But for this cake, and because they're great gooseberries, I just wanted something a little bit different. So I did that, as well as taking a finely tipped Wilton paintbrush, and I outlined some of the marble lines on the berry as well, just to bring it out. Since we did do a lightly marbled berry, I wanted to bring those lines out a little bit more. And here, y'all, just for the Grey Goose logo, all I did was printed out these labels onto a sugar sheet with my Canon printer, and I'm just cutting out the circles. I'm sealing them on with a little bit of water on the back of the sugar sheet just to hold them in place, like so. My nephew says hi, guys, and subscribe to my channel.